Have you ever bought coconut oil because you heard it's super healthy? Everyone says it's great for your heart, skin, and even weight loss. But here's the shocking truth: not all coconut oils are created equal, and some types can actually damage your liver over time if you're not careful. Let's uncover what most people don't know. Coconut oil itself isn't the villain, the danger lies in the type you're using. There are two main kinds: virgin coconut oil and refined, hydrogenated, or processed coconut oil. And this difference changes everything. Virgin coconut oil is extracted from fresh coconuts without chemicals or high heat. It still contains natural antioxidants, healthy fats, and compounds that can support your metabolism and immune system. But refined or hydrogenated coconut oil, the cheaper kind often sold in bulk or used in processed snacks, is a completely different story. To make refined coconut oil shelf-stable and odor-free, manufacturers often use high-heat processing, bleaching agents, and hydrogenation. During this process, beneficial nutrients are destroyed, and the oil can form trans fats, the same dangerous fats linked to fatty liver disease, inflammation, and heart problems. Doctors warn that long-term consumption of hydrogenated oils, including some coconut oils, can overload your liver, leading to fat buildup and reduced detox function. The liver's job is to process fats and remove toxins, but when it's constantly bombarded with poor-quality oils, it starts storing fat instead of burning it. That's when trouble begins. So how do you know which type you're using? Check the label. If it says refined, hydrogenated, or RBD, refined, bleached, and deodorized, that's your red flag. This is the type that may harm your health if used daily. True virgin or cold-pressed coconut oil should say so clearly on the label. It usually has a light coconut aroma and turns solid at cooler temperatures, a sign that it's minimally processed. To protect your liver and overall health, choose cold-pressed virgin coconut oil and use it in moderation. You'll still get the good fats your body needs, without the hidden dangers of industrial processing. So the next time you reach for that bottle of healthy coconut oil, take a second look, because the wrong type might be slowly doing more harm than good. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed health tips and food safety truths that protect your family every day.